Well, hey there, everybody. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2019. Gonna go get the trailer hooked up. Gonna go take a look at a sign I saw posted on Craigslist. It's a little smaller one, and see what it's like, and maybe we'll make a deal. Bring it back. But here we go. All right, well, here it is. We made a deal. Got it loaded up. This side's pretty plain, but wait till you see the other side. I'll have to wait for a minute. Play back to the shop. Alright, so I got the gimbal on auto tracking. We'll see if it follows. We'll get this sign off the trailer. Technology. There we go. Follow that gimbal. Alright, but we got it back in the shop. And told you I'd show you the other side. It's pretty cool. Ready? Look at that. It's pretty groovy, isn't it? Kind of 60s-tastic, kind of googie, a little bit googie. But yeah. All right, well, it's in the shop, and next video we'll do a walk around. We'll open it up, see what's inside, and do an assessment on the tubes. All right, well, thanks for coming with me to get another vintage neon sign. Hit subscribe for updates on this one and for more neon related videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so it looks like we're coming towards the end here, but